Good morning, my dear students. Standard 3rd, Subject English. Myself, Miss Alima Sheikh. Students, today we are going to learn English grammar. So everyone, just open your combined book number 3. In that, chapter number 19, Pronouns. So students, let's study first of all what is the meaning of pronoun. So here some words are there that is related to pronouns. So here the words are I, we, you, they, he, she, it, and many more are there, but this is the basic words about pronouns. So students, first of all, what is pronouns? A word we use in place of noun is called a pronoun. Students, I hope everyone know what is the meaning of noun, right? And noun means a word that is identify the name of the things, place, person or animals. We called as noun. Right? So here, today we are going to learn in the place of noun words, we are going to use pronoun. So, a word we use in the place of noun is called pronoun. Students, again, everyone just repeat after me. Okay? What is a pronoun? Students, everyone repeat after me. Yes. What is a pronoun? A word we use in place of a noun is called a pronoun. And the examples are I, we, you, they, he, she, it, right? And many more. You can write him, they, we, them, us, right? There are some words where we use in the place of noun. The word we can use, it's a pronoun. And which are those words? Yes, I, we, you, they, he, she, it, her, them, they, we, us. Right, students? And etc. Etc. means there are many modes. Okay? So students, now we will going to learn how to use a pronoun in the place of noun. So here it's an example, students. Everyone just concentrate. It's very important. Then only you can understand how to use pronoun in the place of noun. Okay? So everyone, students, concentrate while I am reading. Okay? So here Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. So here students, one man is there. He is a bus driver. And what is the name of that man? Yes, Mr. Mohanlal. So students, let's see some points on Mr. Mohanlal. Means, let's see some sentence on Mr. Mohanlal. So here, Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. Mr. Mohanlal drives children to school every day. Mr. Mohanlal is a jovial man. Students, jovial means happy man. Okay. So here, if you see, we are talking about one man. Right. And what is the name of that man? Mr. Mohanlal. Right. And there are 3 sentences which is based on Mr. Mohanlal. But if you see, students, the name Mr. Mohanlal, I am repeating 3 times. Right. As you can see, Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. Mr. Mohanlal drives children to school every day. Mr. Mohanlal is a jovial man. So students, I am talking about one man. So why should I call 3 times his name? Right? So in the place of noun, if you see the name Mr. Mohanlal, it's a noun. So in the place of noun, we are going to use a word pronoun. Students, so let's see. As I told you students, I had repeated 3 times his name, Mr. Mohanlal. If I am talking about one man, so we should not call the name again and again. Students, as I told you, today we are going to study about pronoun. So where the word noun is there, in the place of noun, we are going to use pronoun word, right? So if you see in the sentence, I had repeated 3 times the person name, Mr. Mohanlal. So in the place of noun, I am going to use the word pronoun. So here, if you see students, I had used the word he. So let's read out the full sentence so that you can understand. Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. He drives children to school every day. He is a jovial man. So students, if you see, I had used the word he. Students, why I had used the word he? Yes, because Mr. Mohanlal is a man. So its gender is male. So male gender we are using he, right? So students, as I told you, Mr. Mohanlal is a male gender. So we had used the word he. Right students, if you see in the previous pic, Mr. Mohanlal is written 3 times, right? In the sentence, Mr. Mohanlal is written 3 times. But while we are using a pronoun, there is no need of writing the same name. Or we should not mention the name again and again. We should not mention the person name again and again. We can use, in the place of name, we can use a pronoun word. Right students? So here, as you can see in this pic, Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. He drives children to school every day. He is a jovial man. So students, on the top only I have mentioned the person name. And after that, I had written the pronoun word. And I had used the word he because he is a male gender. He is a man. For that reason, I have used the word he. Understood students? I hope everyone understood how to use a pronoun word in the place of noun. Right students? So there are some words I, you, he, she, it, we, and they are pronouns that come in the naming part of a sentence. Naming part means where the names are written. In that part we can use a pronoun words. Students, I hope everyone understood the first sentence. Right students? So here, as you can Priya is a doctor. Priya works in Apollo Hospital in Delhi. Priya is a dedicated person. So students, in the first sentence where it is green color box, right? In that if you see Priya is written 3 times. Means we are calling out Priya names 3 times, right? So there is no need of calling again and again Priya. There is no need of writing again and again Priya. We can write only 1 time Priya, and after that we can use a pronoun word. So in the pink box if you see, Priya is a doctor. She works in Apollo Hospital in Delhi. She is a dedicated person. So here Priya is a female gender. Priya is a woman, right? She is a female gender. So we are using the word she. Right students? So she word is the pronoun. In the place of noun, we are using the word pronoun. Right students? If we are talking about one person, there is no need of calling the name again and again. Right students? In the place of noun, we can use the word pronoun also. So here, as you can see on the top box, in the green box, if you see, we are calling the name again and again Priya. Right? So there is no need of calling again and again the name. We can use, in the place of name, we can use a pronoun word. So here I had used the word she. Right students? So students, in the place of girl or woman name, we can use she because it's a female gender. For using in the place of girl or woman name means noun, we can use a pronoun word and the pronoun word is she. So here the sentence is, she is my sister. I like her lot. Right students? And for boy or man, we can use he because it's a male gender. So here the sentence, he is a doctor. You can meet him tomorrow. Now students, an animal or things, we are going to use pronoun word it eats. It is it. Right students? Again I am saying, for animal or things, we are going to use the word it. Right students? So here the sentence is, I saw a green frog. It jumped into the pond. So here students, in the place of noun, I use a pronoun word. Right students? The next example of it. The village is far away. It has many rivers. They are clean. Nikki has pet. It is a dog. Right students? I hope everyone understood how to use a pronoun word. In singular, we use I, he, she, it. A pronoun word we use I, he, she, it. And in plurals, we use we and they. Students, on the top it is written nouns. Don't be confused. Noun means name. So, in the place of names, we are writing pronoun words. For singular, we are going to use I, he, she, it. And for plural, we are going to use we and they. Students, as you know, singular means one. One person, one thing, right? We called as singular. And what about plural? Plural means more than one. One person or thing, more than one, we called as plurals. So for any noun, if it is more than one, we are going to use pronoun is we and they. Right students? And for singular person, means for one thing, one person, we are going to use pronoun I, he, she, it. So students, everyone understood singular and plural, how to use the pronoun words? Okay. Now, again, for singular, we are going to use pronoun me, him, her, it. And for plural, us and them. Students, these words mostly come in the middle of the sentence or in the end of the sentence. It is very important point. Students, again I am saying the singular words me, him, her, it, and for plural, us and them. These all words in the sentence, it comes in the middle of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. So now here the pronoun you is used for both singular and plural nouns. Students, as I told you, singular means one and plural means more than one, we called as plural words. And singular words means one person, one thing, we called as singular. And more than one person or things, we called as plural. So here some example. The pronoun you is used for both singular and plural nouns. Do you have a pet? Does it play with you? So students, can you see the you word in the middle of the sentence or at the end of the sentence? Right students? Students, if you observe here, only one dog is there, right? A pet animal, only one. It's a dog. So it's a singular. In this also we are using a you word as a pronoun, right? Now let's see the next example. If you observe over here, there are more than one boys, okay? So it's a plural nouns. Now let's see the sentence. It is an important game. You must play as a team. So students, here also we had used the word you as a pronoun, right students? Students, as I explained you, singular pronouns and plural pronouns. So in the singular pronouns, the words are I, me, you, she, her, he, him, it, his. And in plural pronouns, words are we, us, you, they, them. Students, the pronoun you is used for both singular and plural noun, as I had explained you with the example, right? The words me, him, her, it, us, you and them are also pronouns. They come in the tailing part of a sentence. So students, these all are words is used in naming part of the sentence or at the beginning of the sentence. So let's see those words. I, she, you, it, he, we. These pronouns come in the naming part of a sentence. They usually come at the beginning of a sentence. Me, him, her, us, you, them. These pronouns comes in the tailing part of a sentence. They usually come in the middle or at the end of the sentence. Right students? I hope everyone understood what is pronoun and how we can use a pronoun words in a sentence. So students, let's see again a pronoun words. Everyone just repeat after me. I am going to recite the words. You all of you just repeat after me. Pronoun words are I, she, them. Me, her, you. He, it, us. Him, they, we. So students, these all are a pronoun words that is used in place of a noun. Right students? So students, everyone understood now what is pronoun? Okay. Now students, everyone just open your combined book number 3. I am going to give you the notes of this lesson. So students, everyone just open the page number 34, chapter number 19, pronouns. Unit 3 means combined book number 3. Students, as I had explained you what is pronoun, right? Here in the top, if you see one sentence is there, it's a very important. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. For example, I, you, he, she, it, her, him, they, we, them, us, etc. So students, this one line is very important while you are studying the pronoun. First of all, you have to know what is pronoun. So you have to learn this line. Okay. Now students, come to the exercise number 1. Replace the underlined noun with a suitable pronoun. So here, the very first one, Ravina is my friend. Ravina is a clever girl. Students, if you see the word Ravina in the sentence, 2 times it is mentioned. Ravina is my friend. Ravina is a clever girl. Right? So students, while we are using a pronoun, there is no need of writing Ravina 2 times in a sentence. So let's see the answer. So here the answer, Ravina is my friend. She is a clever girl. So students, Ravina is a female gender. It's a girl. So I had mentioned she. Right students? We had used the word pronoun word as she. Right, students? Now let's see the second one. The boys were throwing stones at the dog. The boys ran away when the dog started barking. So students, if you see again, the boys, it is mentioned 2 times in the sentence, and the dog is also mentioned 2 times in the sentence. So now where the blue words are written, in the blue color words are written, that we have to change into a pronoun. So let's see the answer. The boys were throwing stones at the dog. They ran away when it started barking. So students, in the place of the boys, we have wrote they, because there is more than one boys, so we have mentioned they. And the dog, we have mentioned it. As I told you, for animals and things, we are going to use pronoun word as it, right? So here we had used the word it. Now students, let's see the third one. So students, now the third one. Anju, Meena, Ankit and I are classmates. Anju, Meena, Ankit and I are going to Ooty in the holiday. So the answer will be Anju, Meena, Ankit and I are classmates. We are going to Ooty in the holidays. Now students, the fourth one. The teacher is very kind to the pupils. The pupils like her very much. Students, pupils means children. Right students? So here the pupils is written 2 times in the sentence. So there is no need of writing 2 times. We are going to use the pronouns word. So let's see the answer. The teacher is very kind to the pupils. They like her very much. So students, everyone understood? In the place of the pupils, we have wrote they, because there are more than one children are there. Pupils means children. Now students, the fifth one. Arjun asked Mona, where is Mona's house? So students, if you see in the sentence, in the question, there are 2 times Mona is written, right? Now we are going to use a pronoun word. So let's see the answer. So students, here the answer, fifth one. Arjun asked Mona, where is your house? So students, we had completed the page number 34. I hope everyone understood how to use a pronoun words. Right students? So students, now the page number 35. We move to the next page, page number 35. So students, the page number 35, the answers I am going to send you. After watching this video, I am going to send you the answers of page number 35. So students, I hope everyone understood what is pronoun and how to use a pronoun words in the sentence. Right students? Students, if you have any doubt regarding the notes or about the homework, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my personal number. So students, thank you for watching the video.